Hello, my friends. How are you? I'm thinking about you. I'm praying for you and your families as we walk through these days at home. I wanted to give a shout out to my friends from school. I'm thinking of Annabelle and Amelia and Colin and Evelyn and Everett and Henry, and I'm thinking of Jared and Kaylin and Mary and Will and Samuel. And I miss you guys. And I want to say hi to Allison, who watches this, and Mel. And I'm thinking of Hayden and Jack and Gabe and all my friends. I wish we were together. I wish we were doing Young Explorers and Lunch Bunch and all that stuff. But one day. So today I thought I'd hop on and say hi. And I wanted to read a book. It's called Like a Windy Day. Today's not a windy day, but tomorrow might be a windy day. So I thought we could read this together, okay? Because we love to read books in school. Like a Windy Day. This says, I want to play like a windy day. I want to zoom down hillsides. Can you kind of see the wind there? It almost looks like a person, but the wind's not really a person. And race through the streets. You see what she's riding on? She's on a skateboard. I want to scatter seeds and turn windmills. Fly kites and wave flags. There's the kite. She's got a purple kite, and he's carrying, what color flag is that man holding up? What color is that? And snap wet sheets. I want to play like a windy day. Uh-oh. It looks like the wind is taking the laundry and pulling it up into the wind, into the sky. Do you see some of the things that it took off the laundry line? Wow. Oh, there's an airplane. I want to lift birds and butterflies into the sky. Oh, look at those. You know what kind of birds those are? Those are geese, those big ones. Look, she's in a hot air balloon. It goes up in the wind. I want to steal hats right off of people's heads. Well, that's what the wind does. Drive clouds and rain and sail boats. Oh, look what the wind can do to the waves. It can make the waves go up high. It makes the boats flip and flop. And I want to make umbrellas fly. I want to play like a windy day. Uh-oh, look at that guy's bag. What's falling out of the bag? And all the umbrellas are going up into the sky because of the wind. I want to shake the dew from a spider's web and help her babies soar. Ooh, look at that. Do you see baby spiders? Look at the baby spiders. Here's the big spider. Ah! I want to blow through the green grasses. And crash big blue waves on the shore. I want to play like a windy day. Wow, look at those waves. and fly with the leaves from the trees. I want to play like a windy day. Oh, the wind sure does take the leaves off the tree in the fall, doesn't it? Look at that. Until I become like a gentle breeze. Oh, those breezes are so nice on a warm day, aren't they? So, boys and girls, that was our book about a windy day. And I'd like to tell you that maybe you could do something for homework. Maybe you could draw a picture of something that the wind could take. Maybe it's a leaf or a flower or an umbrella or a hat or laundry or a ball or grasses. You can think of whatever it might be that you think the wind might take. And why don't you draw a picture for me and tell me what the wind took? If you can write it on your page what the wind took. And if you can't write, you can just draw it, and then maybe you could take a picture of it and send it to me, and I'll see what the wind took from you. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be excited to see what you come up with. And then probably, today's Thursday, next week, maybe I'll read another book, or maybe we can do opposites together or rhyming together. We can celebrate spring together. And so I'll be looking forward to what you have for me. Also, I want to tell you, moms, Pinterest is your friend right now. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to look up what I have or what I've used or what I was planning and send it to you. Most of the things I do are pretty, simple, 3 and 4-year-old friendly. So if you have any questions about maybe something we did in the past that you might want to recreate at home, I'd be happy to let you in on what it was. Usually it's from Pinterest or another teacher. So hang in there, everybody. I love you. Catch a kiss.